Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on the iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to general, then just scroll down to the very bottom till you see transfer or reset iPhone. Just simply tap on that. And then once you're here, just tap on the reset button on the very bottom right there. And once you're here, you will see a list or menu right here. And if you want to reset all settings, just tap on reset all settings at the very top. And it will prompt you to your Face ID. And sometimes it will need you to start a security delay. So a security delay is required because stolen device protection is active and iPhone is not at a familiar location. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.